What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja and we're back with another hair installation video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's move right along. So for today's video, we'll be installing a unit from Nadula here, and they did send us this fancy package and I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. Did receive some gifts in our package. So this is the unit we're installing today. This one is their Jerry Curls frontal unit. This one is a 13x4 unit with a density of 150%. It has the kinky 4C edges already pre-made for us. It's pre-plucked, the adjustable band is on, everything was already done to the unit. So what I'm about to do now is to install the unit. If you want to get this wig, then go ahead and click the link in my description and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. So this is what our wig is looking like. And it comes with pre-made baby here for us already. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and install my unit. I'll be using my Eben Wonder lace bond glue to install my unit today. So let's go ahead and move along to the install. Alright guys, so this is the final look. It is super soft. I love how this turned out. Super cute, super pretty. I love it. It is given super soft, super silky, and I love how these curls are looking. This is it. The lace smells great, and I couldn't recreate their natural edges, so I just did my own thing on them. And I love how this turned out. I love how the lace blends so good. The baby hairs are looking fire. This is it. And this unit is from Nadula here, and this is their frontal jerry curls unit, and this is super pretty. It's definitely a 10 out of 10. It was super easy to achieve this look. If you want to get this unit, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Nadula here, their website will also be in my description. Go ahead and make your purchase. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.